The new Nio ET9 is a standout vehicle for those seeking a seamless blend of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and performance. Positioned as China's answer to renowned luxury sedans like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and even the prestigious Maybach, the ET9 goes beyond being just another sedan. It represents a technological marvel, offering a refined design, unparalleled comfort, and state-of-the-art electric innovation. The exterior of the Nio ET9 showcases minimalist elegance, exuding both sophistication and confidence. Measuring 5,325 millimeters in length with a generous 3,250 millimeters wheelbase, it delivers remarkable spaciousness comparable to traditional flagship models. A standout feature is its ceramic blue paint, meticulously polished for 60 hours, resulting in an exquisite shine and depth. The sleek matrix LED headlights go beyond aesthetics. They incorporate advanced technology capable of projecting light patterns onto the road, enhancing safety by signaling to pedestrians and other road users, such as indicating safe crossing zones. The side profile of the Nio ET9 is defined by its fastback roofline, tapering smoothly toward the rear to enhance aerodynamics and create a visually flowing silhouette. Flush door handles and frameless windows add to the sleek, uninterrupted surface, while stylish 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels provide a strong, road-hugging presence. At the rear, a continuous LED taillight strip spans the width of the car, delivering a high-tech, unified aesthetic. The integrated ducktail spoiler adds a sporty flair while improving aerodynamics, and a sharply contoured rear diffuser completes the dynamic and sophisticated design. Inside the Nio ET9, compromise is not an option. The spacious cabin features premium materials and ergonomically crafted seats, delivering an unparalleled level of comfort for this class. Rear seats recline up to 45 degrees and include massage functions, offering a private jet-like experience. Enhancing convenience, a mini fridge and folding tables are nestled between the seats. The ET9 features a 2,800-watt sound system comprising 35 speakers, including a headrest. Beyond luxury, the ET9 embraces sustainability with a fully vegan interior option available in the European market, showcasing Nio's dedication to a greener future. Under the hood, the ET9 delivers performance to impress even the most demanding drivers. Dual electric motors generate a combined 700 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The all-wheel drive system ensures outstanding control, while rear-wheel steering minimizes the turning circle to an impressive 10.9 meters, making the ET9 remarkably nimble for its size, even in urban environments. One of the standout features of the Nio ET9 is its advanced battery technology. It offers two battery options, 95 kilowatt-hours and 112 kilowatt-hours, delivering a range of up to 850 kilometers under the Chinese CLTC standard, equivalent to about 650 kilometers under the European WLTP. Thanks to its fast charging system, the ET9 can add up to 256 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. In terms of technology, the ET9 is a true marvel. It features a steer-by-wire system that removes the mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels, providing exceptional precision and responsiveness. The Level 3 autonomous driving system, equipped with advanced LiDAR and 31 sensors, ensures the highest level of safety and comfort. Although autonomous driving is currently limited to the Chinese market, the ET9 is ready for the European market as soon as regulatory conditions allow. In terms of price, the ET9 is priced at approximately 87,000 euros without battery in the Chinese market, or 100,000 euros with the battery included. In Europe, where the vehicle is expected to launch in 2026, the price is anticipated to be around 120,000 euros due to additional taxes. This places it between the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and the Maybach, offering significantly more features as standard compared to both. The Nio ET9 is more than a car. It's a vision of the future, where advanced technology meets unmatched luxury. This flagship vehicle signals a bold statement from China's automotive industry. They're ready to compete on the global stage. German manufacturers take note the future has arrived, and it's called Nio.
In audio.